Hey guys, Sean with Drive Through Drive By. Well, finally got over to Dalton to go see Willie. And Willie's got the corn dogs now. So he's been selling a bunch of them, so I knew I had to go try one. I can get into this little jewel here. Oh, goodness. There you go, hand dipped, honey drizzled corn dog. You ready? Let's do it. Goodness. If I eat 2 or 3 of these, couldn't I? Right around $3 of it, Willie. It's good. I mean, it's just good. It's like everything Willie makes. It's good. He don't take no shortcuts. Got a little sweet taste. With that honey, I'm gonna get me another bite. It's not your normal corn dog. That's a step up on a corn dog right there. That's another Willie's 10. He does, like I said, he does good work and he makes some good food. That's another winner. It's $3. Load you up on about 10 of those and feed your whole family. They'll be tickled. I would have head over there to see Willie. Tell me you want to try the new corn dog. You're going to like it. You will not be disappointed. We're going to have to find somebody to get some bacon on this too next. Nah, what? Okay. Well, go see Willie. Try his corn dog. You'll like it. I guarantee you. Tell him Drive Through a Drive By sent you. We'll see you guys next time. Y'all take care.